Oh yeah, that is pretty fucked. Just about as fucked as how loud the exhaust is without this fucking resonator we're gonna weld on it. So what we did here is we popped out the mid pipe. So just this wide pipe from the back to the mufflers is dangling off of the Z1 full exhaust here. So this is the mid pipe for the dual exit M-Spec, however they call it. And what I did is marked up where this vibrant resonator is going to go. So hopefully this will get rid of the drone a little bit and kind of quiet it down at least a little bit, because I'm sure if you've seen from the videos before, it's fucking loud. So it's about 1 foot across. So that's measured up, and then I got this line here to mark it so we know where the hanger has to be in terms of the 2-bolt flange to the V-band, because down here we need to get the hanger lined up where it is on the car. So if we don't do that right, then it kind of will fit like my ass or be like some bullshit way. And we're gonna weld this on there and see if it's any quieter. Extremely sad update. My diff bushing right here is on its way out. You guys can probably, here, let's zoom in. You can see the cracks on her top and bottom. So she might start gooping a little bit in the future. So you can get ready for a Z1 diff bushing install video. We're probably going to do the tranny mounts at the same time and then change out this rusty ass diff fluid and the tranny fluid while we're doing it. Because I haven't done that yet since the rebuild. That's the only fluid I haven't touched. So, yeah.
Still got stuff.
Dirty Jack is going to go ahead and fucking cut up this fat pipe here.
Cutting stainless is so unpleasant.
Alright, so we got this pipe chopped off here. We got the other end of the pipe chopped off here. And we're gonna stick this fucking resonator in it and see if it does something. Alright, so we got her all tacked up and Jack is getting ready to fucking purge her good. She's sitting on there pretty freaking nice. No longer straight pipes. Make some Swiss cheese. And then we're gonna put a bunch of nug on that and smoke the other end, right? Mm-hmm. Sweet. Alright, so we got this kind of slip fitting.
So much better, dude. Like, so much better.
Chairs are good for the environment. But also, we got this slip fitted on there because this is 3-inch OD. So we got this puppy purging out.
I'll do this.
This is how you do TIG right. Don't bring it to Midas.
No, you bring it to Midas. They TIG weld there.
Yeah, I guess they might. Smells like argon.
Yeah, you can't smell argon, dude.
Yeah, no, I smell it.
Nope.
Check her out, boys. She's welded up.
Look closely.
Don't look close, but it's not gonna leak, so that's what matters. Not bad.
To the other side because it looks really bungled.
Check it out, boys. It's fucking welded up. Not bad. Gonna slap it in the G and see how she sounds.